All right, well, the time has come to replace this door handle. We just got bare metal here. The other side is a little worn too, but it's fine. I actually happened to find a new old stock one on eBay. These are getting pretty hard to find. So I'll get that out here and take a look at that. It actually has the material still, it's not just metal, that's what's inside. Pretty happy to find this. So yeah, same color too. So we're popping it off right now. Got them off. It's just a big bolt. The studs come through, that's to the handle. So I'm gonna take this off so don't get lost. And yeah, get the other side off and swap that new one on. A little bit of a pain to remove. There's a lot of pieces and parts, and you can actually see some pressed wood stuff in here. So that's kind of old school with all these tree clips that are likely worn out by this point because we already had this off to replace the window. So that might be a project here soon to end up replacing. But for now, we're gonna just focus on that for today. All right, well, here's the replacement versus the one that was on the car when I got it. Overall, just a lot better shape. And it actually has the fabric on it it's supposed to have. Here is what it looks like on there. Nice and sturdy, looks great. Much better. We've made it to Perrysburg, Ohio for the car show. You gotta join the party. Looking great with those new trunk decals on it and all that detail work Kyle and I did to it. All right, so this trim down here is not looking the greatest. You go over here to my LX. Looks pretty good, don't it? Well, what I've been using, I used since 2016, is this Turtle Wax Trim Restore. And if you garage keep a car like this, it lasts a long time. So you just use an applicator pad like this, and you go to work with it. It's really great stuff. So we'll get this transformed here in just a sec. So here's kind of a before and after. I kind of go a little thicker with it, and it will dry out some. I'm going to use a microfiber though to get it off the bumper and stuff when I'm done, but night and day difference. Really great stuff. You can really see how much better out in the sun this trim looks with that Turtle Wax plastic trim restorer. I also did the front as well as the front license plate bracket. I've had people remark at how this looks new old stock with how good it cleaned up. I even had some damage here, and doing that kind of helped hide that. So that's kind of nice. We are actually dealing with a slight exhaust leak on this car. You kind of heard that. The left side air tube was damaged during the transmission reinstall, but luckily I found a new one. And while it's in there, let me shut this off so we're not wasting gas. There we go. Gas is too expensive to be doing that. We also got Sound FX mufflers from Rock Auto. Decent price. So this car will be getting a redone exhaust system. It's kind of in abysmal shape, and it's kind of held together with hopes and dreams right now. And no, this is not from this car. This is from my 2008 Crown Vic, which the rack is leaking from. We replaced that actually a few years ago, my friend and I did. And the aftermarket one's already leaking. Luckily, it's a lifetime warranty, but it's just kind of frustrating. I'm leaking power steering fluid, or ATF, whatever, all over the driveway. So, projects upon projects, but we'll get there. We're here at Bell Tire in Maumee. They've treated me pretty well with this car. They're going to be taking a look at doing the shocks. They're going to do the left side air tube and then mufflers. So, looking forward to that. You can see she's sagging a little in the back. These shocks are pretty worn out. Over here, something kind of unique. I know it's not a Ford, but I do like some of these older Chevrolets. It's an old Chevrolet van they use for the ice cream truck around here. We'll take a closer look at that. It's kind of neat. They still use it around my area to deliver ice cream. So it's in for some work. So looking forward to having this old girl not sound so loud when I give her gas and actually ride better. She's got her battle scars, but these come down my street and still deliver ice cream. And I think that's super neat. I just love seeing these older vehicles still being used. Well, she's all done here at Bell Tire and Mommy. Happy to have her back. See how she rides and sounds now that we've got shocks and new mufflers, as well as the air tube. Nice and quiet. I like that. Yep, no exhaust ticking when you give her a little bit of gas. All right, well, let's take her to get some photos before we bring her home. I'll take these off for a photo shoot. We're here at one of my favorite spots to get photos along the beautiful Maumee River here. Lighting's a little weird right now, so I kind of got to do it at an angle so I don't put the car in some shadows, but gosh, she looks great. She needs cleaned again now that she got rained on, but definitely happy to have her back. Stay tuned for more updates with this car. I'm going to keep doing more and more updates as we go along. Next up might be air conditioning, and then after that we should be working on more cosmetic stuff like interior. I don't know if I'm going to get to the carpet next year at all. It needs a whole new carpet, and then floor mats are something I might buy just to hide it for a while. So all the joys of a project car. More to do for another time. I lied, the video's not over. We found another cool photo location I usually come to. All right, now thanks for watching.